As you can see on the screen here, it has automatically gone in to watch your live stream session. Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In this video I'm going to share with you an extremely powerful tool that will help you increase the number of live viewers on your live stream in just a few minutes. This is the software interface, and as you can see, it's very simple and easy to use. If you want to increase your live view count, you just need to go to the seeding section. Next, select the seeding live stream option. Here all you need to do is paste the live stream link right here. Now I'll go to YouTube and look for any random live stream session. Here I'll take this live stream session. You just need to copy this live stream link for me, then go back to the software and paste it here. At this point you can configure the settings and parameters for the software. That's it. If you want to increase the number of views, you can simply enter the desired number of views here. For example, let's say 12. Next, you can also like that live stream session, or even subscribe directly to your live stream channel. Here you can set how many seconds to watch, the duration in seconds. You can configure it right here. For example, from 100 to 200 seconds, or you can comment directly on your live stream session and the comments will follow the scenarios and content you want. You can easily enter, for instance, the specific price of an item, or you can simply leave a brief and helpful comment, for example something like "Mitabi, this is good," for example, to provide feedback. You can add as many comments as you want directly here. After adding them, make sure to save it. Next you will select the accounts, the secondary YouTube channels. You can use an unlimited number of secondary YouTube accounts. And finally, you just need to press the start button. The software will automatically open those secondary accounts and start joining your live stream session. This particular way, your engaging live stream will undoubtedly get a significant amount of valuable interaction, which will certainly help to effectively push your live stream to trend and gain more visibility. As you can see on the screen here, it has automatically joined and is watching your live stream. So if any of you need a tool to help increase interaction for your live stream, please contact me directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. I will help you install the software and guide you on how to use it.